Hello, today let's work on my client's thinning locks. First, I use my scissors to cut it off. Then I realized that I need to merge two together because the hair on her scalp is not enough to hold the weight of the extension I cut off. Then you need to comb out the tips of your locks, which is not like the extension, because you need that fine hair to lock both the hair and the root together. Then you sandwich the extension between the hair on our scalp. This will help you secure the extension firmly in between. Now I will go in with my crochet pin. I'm using 0.5 mm. It's just easier for me and it makes my work faster. I'm comfortable using this. You can use any other you like, or you can use the double pin mouth or the triple pin mouth. Then I go in and I tighten this once more to make sure everything is secured. Then I gently pull to see that it's tightly secured. I will drop in the comments the link where you can get this hook if you need one. Thank you. Subscribe and like.